Have you ever wondered how the pasta you buy from supermarkets is actually made? What if you could produce the same high quality pasta and launch your own brand? In today's video, we'll take you inside Khan Engineering's fully automatic pasta production line and show you how raw ingredients are transformed into perfectly shaped pasta through a fully automated process. This is fully automatic pasta production line from Khan Engineering, built with high quality food grade stainless steel and advanced automation. This machine is designed for consistent production, excellent hygiene and reliable performance. It is an ideal solution for businesses looking to manufacture premium quality pasta. The process begins with feeding the raw material into the screw conveyor. Depending on your recipe, ingredients such as durum wheat semolina, wheat flour or specialty flour blends can be used. Once loaded, the screw conveyor automatically transfers the ingredients to the mixing section, ensuring a smooth and continuous production process. Inside the mixer, water is added in controlled quantities while the mixing blades combine the ingredients into a uniform dough. Premium mixing is essential because it directly affects the texture, consistency and overall quality of the finished pasta. After the initial mixing stage, the dough moves into the vacuum mixer. This is one of the most important steps in the production process. The vacuum system removes trapped air from the dough, creating a smoother texture, improving the surface finish and helping produce a stronger, higher quality pasta with a more consistent appearance. Next comes the heart of the production line, the extruder. High pressure pushes the dough through a specially designed extrusion die. As the dough passes through the die, it takes on the final shape with outstanding precision and consistency. This process ensures every piece of pasta maintains the same size, shape and quality throughout production. One of the biggest advantages of the machine is its interchangeable die system. By simply replacing the extrusion die, you can manufacture a wide variety of pasta shapes including macaroni, penne, fusilli, shells, rigatoni and many more. This flexibility allows manufacturers to expand their product range without investing in multiple machines. Freshly extruded pasta is carefully discharged onto the conveyor belt where it is gently transported to the next stage without damaging its shape. At the end of the conveyor, the pasta falls evenly into wooden drying trays. These trays are then collected by the operator and neatly arranged on drying trolleys, preparing the product for the drying process. The loaded trolleys are moved into the automatic pasta dryer. Inside the dryer, temperatures, humidity and drying time are automatically controlled to ensure consistent moisture removal while preserving the pasta's shape, texture and quality. This controlled drying process is one of the most important steps in producing premium shelf-stable pasta. Once the drying cycle is complete, the pasta is fully dried and ready for packaging. At this stage, you can pack the product in bulk for wholesale distribution or create your own branded retail packaging and sell directly to supermarkets, distributors, restaurants or online customers. This gives you complete flexibility to build your own pasta business according to your target market. Whether you are starting a new food manufacturing business or expanding an existing production facility, Khan Engineering provides complete pasta production solutions from mixing and extrusion to automatic drying. If you would like to learn more about machine capacities, production line or customized solutions, contact our team today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and follow Khan Engineering for more food processing technology and manufacturing solutions.